Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the University Village Apartments on Walker Road in the North Jackson, Tennessee area. I am ready to share with you yesterday's climate data and today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. Turned out to be a very nice day today. Got lots of sunshine that will continue for at least one more day. Then we have a chance for rain moving in toward Wednesday afternoon and on and off from then through the weekend is the way it's looking at the moment. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started with yesterday's climate summary. I may try to insert a local on the 8s from the Weather Channel if I happen to see one coming up while I'm making the recording. But in the meantime, yesterday's low temperature here in North Jackson was 49 degrees. Yesterday's high was 64 degrees. Had no rainfall here in North Jackson or in the Bemis area of South Jackson yesterday. Yesterday's highest wind gust was 15 miles per hour out of the south at 9:50 a.m. Yesterday's warmest temperature in West Tennessee was 67 degrees at the Memphis, Tennessee airport and at the National Weather Service forecast office, while the coolest low was 41 degrees over at Lexington, Tennessee yesterday morning. Now, as for today's climate summary, as of 5 p.m., the skies were clear here in North Jackson, and the temperature was 47 degrees. The the dew point was 38 degrees. The humidity was 71%. The winds were out of the northeast. Oh, here's a local on the 8s. Let's see if I can catch it real quick. There we go. 48 degrees at the airport. Radar is clear, of course, at the moment, and will continue to be so for the rest of tonight. That's tonight's forecast. A quick summary. Fair skies, low near 36 tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, mainly sunny with the high near 60, but very little, if any, chances of any rain. And tomorrow night, mainly clear, low near 42 by Wednesday morning. And there you see the other details. And there's the 7-day outlook at a glance. Alrighty. Boy, it shows up much better on this camera, don't it? And of course, local radar, like I said, nothing on it as of 5:55 p.m. Alrighty, that was a local on the 8s, thanks to the Weather Channel. Now let me go back to my routine weather, if I can call it that. Let's see if I can get that's close enough. I think that's the way I kind of want it. Up a little bit. There we go. Maybe that'll be alright. Alright, let me go back to the high and low for today. I think that's where I was. Today's high was 58 degrees. No rainfall fell today since midnight, of course. The lowest humidity today was 51% at 3 p.m. The highest was 96% at 7 a.m. this morning, while the lowest barometric pressure today was 30.35 inches, and that occurred at 5 p.m., while the highest would be 30.48 inches, and that occurred at 9 and 10 a.m. this morning. Today's highest wind gust so far has been 17 miles per hour out of the northeast at 9:15 a.m. Today's records for November the 13th. Hottest high would be 83 degrees. That occurred in 1955. The coolest high would be 33 degrees, and that occurred in 1986. The warmest low would be 69 degrees, and that occurred in 1955. While the coldest low would be 19 degrees, and that occurred in 1986. Well, that was a cold year in Jackson in 1986. Low of 19 and a high of only 33 degrees, while it was a hot year in 1955 with a low of 69 and a high of 83, respectfully there. Rainfall wise, the rainfall record weather would be 1.97 inches, and that happened in 1957. And yes, we got another snowfall record for November the 13th. And November the 13th of 2014, we had 1/100th of an inch of snow that actually accumulated, but on above ground surfaces, not on the ground. Car tops, rooftops, places like that. It did accumulate to about 3/100ths of an inch melted form, which is equivalent to about a quarter of an inch maybe of snow on the car tops and rooftops and anything above the ground. And that did accumulate to a melted amount of 0.03 inches back in 2014 on November the 13th. Alrighty, that's the snowfall record, and I guess that's it for the climate data part. Alright, I'll show you a few graphs and be on my way on finishing this video. Let me go ahead and show you the one thanks to AccuWeather, the southeastern radar, which shows nothing really around here. I'll put it that way, which we saw that on the H just a second ago. Here is a southeast version of the same thing, same radar, similar radar, courtesy of AccuWeather. As you can see, it's rain-free, of course, throughout the area. Florida's in good shape down there. A few showers off the coast, unless you're out there in the boat, you're probably alright. And the same thing for the rest of the southeastern U.S. it looks like, for the most part. And all that rain over there in Oklahoma will wind up being here in a different form by the time it reaches us toward Wednesday afternoon, but not until then though. Alright, let's look at the satellite picture, enhanced version. Also thank you AccuWeather, the southeastern portions of the U.S. As you can see, Tennessee for the most part, at least the western half, is clear. As you see that brown there, that's indication of clear skies. Right here in Jackson where you see that little pin marker. And now eastern middle Tennessee and upper east Tennessee still has some clouds over there along the mountains. They're still continuing with some clouds, but hopefully the clouds will clear up over that part of Tennessee as well as the night wears on. Most of the Carolinas is clear, most of Georgia, good portion of Florida, and other parts of the southeast. Key West may be a little cloudy down there. Well, Key West, Florida, but oh well. And they're used to it, I'm sure. And there's a few clouds to our west over in Arkansas and up in Missouri just trying to move in our direction. It may be the only thing that keeps our sky from being completely clear all night. We might have a few little high clouds go by from time to time that may sort of mess up the clear skies, but on average it should be mostly clear all night, minus a few minutes here and there. Alrighty, let's move on to the current surface map thanks to AccuWeather. Let me move this map over. There we go, I can see it better now. Still learning this thing. I actually like it better though. High pressure right there over Indiana, taking care of our weather. It's going to keep on take care of our weather too. You know, that high right here. There's a front that has moved through. It's well off the seaboard now. Atlantic seaboard is well gone. We got these highs and lows out west. It's going to be, that has taken our weather over. And we're stuck with, for the moment, with absolutely nothing. Hey, I like that, don't you? Not a whole lot going on, and looks like it's not a whole lot going to go on until about Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, when we get another cold front moving through. Just give us a chance for some rain on and off through the weekend, but not the entire weekend though. And we'll get some breaks and all that. Alrighty, let's look at the current surface map. Alright, let's move on to the detailed forecast. I'll go ahead and read it to you again tonight. It's beautiful. Nothing big on it until about Wednesday. Let me see if I can get this aligned to where it will sit still. Alright, maybe that'll be okay. Let me scoot over just a little. It might help some. Maybe I can move my big body, not just my head. Yeah, that'd be alright. For tonight, it's going to be generally fair skies, like I mentioned. On into tomorrow, mostly clear tomorrow. Cloudy skies will return toward probably daybreak Wednesday morning, roughly. Then it'll be mostly cloudy for just about all of Wednesday, with a 50% chance of rain by Wednesday afternoon, but be gone by Wednesday night, though. It'll be just mostly cloudy. I'm jumping a little ahead here saying that part. Back to tonight, clear skies, as well as tomorrow for the most part. We should have a low tomorrow morning of near 36 degrees, so it is going to be kind of chilly again tomorrow morning. It was 30, what was it this morning? I forgot. 37. It'll be very similar tomorrow, but about 36 tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's high should get up about 61, which is a little warmer than today's 58 that we had. We should have east winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour tomorrow. By the way, the sunset at 4:50 p.m., be rising tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m., and be setting tomorrow evening at 4:49 p.m. The moon rose at 1:42 a.m. It's set this afternoon at 2:31 p.m. and be rising tomorrow morning at 2:41 a.m. and be setting tomorrow afternoon at 3:04 p.m. And like I said, on Wednesday, 50% chance of afternoon rain, mostly cloudy skies with a low near 42 and a high of 58, with southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Thursday, fair skies continue with low near 45 and a high of 62, with east winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. This Friday looks like it's going to be fair skies now, most of the day at least till sunset, and then becoming mostly cloudy with low near 48 and a high of 71, with west winds at 15 to 30 miles per hour on Friday. So it'll be kind of a windy day on Friday. And weekend looks iffy, sort of, if I can use that kind of language. Mostly cloudy Saturday with a 50% chance of some showers till Saturday night, then becoming mostly clear with a low near 57 and a high of 62, with northwest winds at 15 to 30 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly clear, low near 36 and a high of 54, with northwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And I do believe it's going to be fair on Monday the 20th, and mostly cloudy on Tuesday the 21st, and back to fair again on Wednesday the 23rd. And I forgot to look up the forecast for Thanksgiving Day. I think they're still calling for some early morning rain possible, but clearing during the afternoon and evening on Thanksgiving Day. But I forgot to write down the details on that one. But it will be available by tomorrow evening on the regular 9 to 10 day outlook, so I won't have to remember to do that. It doesn't look all that bad though for Thanksgiving Day, at least not at this time, if you can handle a few little showers early in the morning, but it should be gone by afternoon and evening, which by then is when you do most of eating anyways. I'll just leave it at that. It shouldn't be no snow, no super cold or anything like that. It'd be kind of bearable weather, which is good for our location here in West Tennessee for Thanksgiving Day. Well, alrighty, I guess that's it for tonight. Should I repeat tonight's forecast real quick just to be sure? Why not? Clear skies for the most part on into tomorrow with a low near 36 and a high tomorrow about 61 with east winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And that's it for tonight, my friends. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a very pleasant Monday night, November the 13th, 2017. I hope you all have sweet dreams and wake up to a beautiful Tuesday, November the 14th, 2017. And of course, I hope I can get a chance to talk to you once more again tomorrow night. And until then, good night, my friends, and may God bless you.